Checking your credit score on Mint is a straightforward process that can help you stay informed about your financial health. Follow these steps to easily access your credit score. Step 1. Sign into Mint. Visit the Mint website or open the Mint app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to the credit score section. Once logged in, look for the credit score section on the dashboard. This is usually found in the main menu or under the credit tab. Step 3. Review your credit score. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Explore credit report details. Mint may provide additional details about your credit report, including factors that affect your score. Review these insights to understand how your credit score is calculated. Step 5. Set up credit monitoring alerts. To stay updated on changes to your credit score, consider setting up credit monitoring alerts. This feature will notify you of significant changes or updates to your credit profile. By following these steps, you can easily check your credit score on Mint and gain valuable insights into your financial standing. Regularly monitoring your credit score is a smart practice for managing your finances effectively.